Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today we are going to show you one more gaming controller, and it's the Bakeey Mobile phone gamepad, which you can use to play PUBG Mobile and Fortnite. So let's do the unboxing and find out how it performs. Bakeey Mobile gamepad controller is one of the cheapest controller I have found recently. So for those who are new to our channel, we have showcased few PUBG controllers in past, and if you want to see them, then do check the links in the description below. Recently we were getting lot of requests that you want to see a budget PUBG controller. So here we have the Bakeey Mobile gamepad controller with trigger and joystick. The price of this controller when I bought it was around $9, which is somewhere around 600 rupees. But now it's increased and it's available for around 800 rupees. But do check the buy link in the description below where you will find a coupon code for additional discount. So let's begin with our video and find out if this controller worth buying. So here is the box. The box is designed as a drop box and everything on it is written in Chinese. And at the back of the box you have the basic instructions on how to use this gamepad. So let's open the box and see the content. So here we have the controller grip itself, one for the right side and one for the left side. You also have these suction cups which you'll have to attach it on the phone screen. There is also a joystick attached to the left grip, and you also get an additional joystick module. Apart from that, in the box you will get these two pins which are actually very important, and I will show you more about them later in this video. So overall in terms of build quality, it's decent, not the best, but keeping in mind the price, it's not that bad. Now let's attach it to our phone and find out how it performs. We will be using the Note 9 here, and attaching the grips are really simple. You have these adjustable grips which are really easy to install. The best part is that the grip have some sort of spacing at the bottom which doesn't press the keys of your phone when it is attached. Now we have attached the grips, let's fix the suction cups for the aim and shoot. I have already changed the controls of the game and we just have to attach it on the top. I definitely feel that unlike some other triggers and controller, it takes some time to set up this gamepad. Now the clips we have seen earlier will come handy, and in order to get these triggers to work properly, we would need to attach these clips on the top of the suction cup like this. And now you can see that the triggers work without any issue. I have also noticed some issue with these type of suction cup triggers, that they do not work well with the screen guard on the display. So if you're planning to buy this gamepad, you might have to remove the screen guard of your phone. Apart from that, functionality wise they work pretty good and barely has any lag while using them. However, the buttons of the triggers are not the best I have used in a controller. The quality of the buttons are also pretty average, and this is one of the things which I didn't like about this gamepad. The joystick works good, and we have this spring design by which you can also do a sprint like this, which is not possible with the other regular style joysticks. In terms of gameplay and usage, the gamepad is definitely comfortable to hold and easy to use as well. You have the triggers button at the right place, and using the triggers are also quite easy. So to conclude, if you're looking for a budget gamepad to play PUBG Mobile or Fortnite and wants to have a grip, trigger and joystick option in one controller, then this gamepad is a good option. There are a couple of things which I didn't like, as I have mentioned earlier, that the first thing is the quality and the design of the trigger buttons. And I wish instead of this clip we had a proper button. And the second thing is that the tube of the suction cup doesn't look that strong, so you'll have to be extra careful while carrying it in your pocket or backpack. Nonetheless, at this price they are good and better than some cheap triggers and gamepad we have tested in last few days. So is this controller worth buying? I would say yes. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution which includes triggers, grip and joystick option, then at this price, this controller is definitely very good. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the budget mobile gamepad for PUBG and Fortnite. Let us know if you like it, and also if you're already using any gamepad or triggers, tell us what you like about them in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.